Okay, we are now going to look at how do we traverse an integer array with a character pointer. What does it mean first? All right, what does it mean? This is what it means. Let's pretend I have an integer array. Okay, a integer array. Due to space problems, okay, so we have integer array with 3 elements. Let me make that into 4 chambers because integer has 4 cells, right? 4 bytes. Okay, so this is an integer array having 3 elements, 0, 1 and 2. So this is an array, integer array. But if you have a character pointer, which always happens in the world, especially in the corporate world, this is the integer pointer, and you pointer also here, and we already have integer pointer pointing there. So how do I do that? Pointer equal to IA, right? That's what we do. We know it's pointing to both, to the same location. So we know if we have an integer pointer, when we do, let's say this is an integer pointer. When you say integer pointer plus plus, what does it mean? It goes from 0 to 1, 3 because it jumps by 4 addresses. We saw that, right? Integer pointers jump by 4 addresses, right? Whereas character pointers jump by 1 addresses, right? When you do any operation like plus plus, or right? So when we I'll erase it for now. So we have pointed our character pointed to this. So what is it? Pointer equal to pointer plus 1. That means it goes to the next element. All right, that's the difference between character pointer. Whereas if you have integer pointer pointing to IA and integer pointer equal to integer pointer plus 1, when we do that, it jumps to the next location. Okay, so the difference between integer pointer and a character pointer is it whenever you do arithmetic like this, plus 1 or plus 1, it jumps by 1 address for character pointers or 4 addresses for integer pointer. For a short, we know it jumps by 2. So pointer arithmetic is very important in how you access your data. Okay, and also it depends upon one thing that you have to be certain is to see if you have a little endian system or a big endian system. Then this pointer plus plus will change the way you traverse. Depend if it is a little endian, it traverses differently. If it's a big endian, traverses differently. Our system is little endian. How do we know that? If we go back here, LSCW, CPU, LSCPW, LSCPU. Uh, When you do that, you see that byte orders Little Indian. So Little Indian means the least significant byte is stored in the lowest address. Okay, so you have to understand how that works. So depending upon we have Little Indian, so you have to um, try it out. So I've given the program for you guys. So try this program and see how you can print it. In this case, I have unsigned integer array and unsigned character pointer, and the value is stored in the integer pointer is I have stored hexadecimal 01, 02, 03, 04. This is hexadecimal. Two characters belong to one byte. So 2 bytes, and I pointed my pointer, character pointer, which is here, to my address, to the first element, that plus I added +1. So I'm not going to show you the results of this, but I want you to experiment and see for yourself. Okay, so that is the uh, lecture on traversing character point, traversing the integer array with a character pointer. It's very important. The whole concept of pointers uh, is the most difficult in C language. Once you master this, the rest are very easy.